Come test drive the 2025 Atlas. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.